Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Programming Language Tutorial section. In Programming Language Tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python Tutorials playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I'm explaining Python in depth and step by step guys. In the previous videos, we understood how to write and execute Python code. We understood the print function. We understood comments in Python. In this video, I would like to discuss keywords in Python. What are keywords? Keywords are also called reserved words. Keywords are reserved words. They are reserved for specific purpose. Keywords meaning and purpose is already defined within the Python language guys. For example, for and while are used to execute set of statements repeatedly. If, else, else if are used to execute set of statements based on the result of a condition. So every keyword has a meaning and purpose. You should not use for some other purpose. Keywords should not be used as identifiers or user-defined names. For example, you should not use keywords for naming variables, lists, functions, objects, etc. guys. Here I have listed keywords available in Python. Import, from, as, global, non-local, true, false, is, and, or, not, if, else, else if, for, while, break, continue, return, in, def, class, async, await, lambda, try, except, finally, raise, with, pass, assert, del, yield, none. These are all keywords guys. These are all keywords, okay? You should not use these keywords for naming variables, lists, functions, objects, any user defined names, okay? And they have the meaning and purpose. You should use them for that purpose only. If you want to display list of keywords available in Python, you can do that by importing the module keyword. Let's see that. I minimize. Here I have the Python code and here is the shell. We display the list of keywords available in Python. I'm going to delete this code and I import the keyword module and then I say print. What I want to print? I want to print keyword.kwlist, keyword list. I save it and say run module. You can see that it has displayed all the keywords available in Python. We are going to learn these keywords one by one, in depth, step by step in the upcoming video tutorials guys. Okay, if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.